Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to sell your stocks on the Bamboo app. Now let's say you have invested in a US stock or a Nigerian stock and you want to sell. I will be showing you how to do that in this video. But before I get started, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Let's get started. So I'm making this video because a lot of people tell me, hey, I've invested though, it's been like 1 year and everything is just green there and I want to withdraw some money or sell one of my stocks. How do I go about it? That's why I'm making this video. Now this is the stock I want to sell today. As an example, this Bitwise BITB, it's tied to the Bitcoin market pretty much. It's basically a Bitcoin ETF, right? And I have other Bitcoin ETFs. I already trade Bitcoin even, so I want to sell this one because it has been in profit. So I'm going to click on it. So you click on the stock, and when you've clicked on the stock, you come to ownership up here. The ownership is where you see how much of the stock you have or own and how much interest or total return you've gotten. So this is my return. It's not a lot, it's 0.16 cent. But again, it doesn't matter to me because I have made up my mind to sell. Now, it's not really advisable for me to sell this stock. Why? Because if I sell it right now, Bamboo, this platform, is going to charge me $1, right? Bamboo is going to charge me $1 for selling this stock. So when you buy a stock, Bamboo charges you $1. When you sell a stock, Bamboo also charges you $1. So if I sell now, I will be losing $1 from this total return. So it's not advisable, but for the sake of this video, I want to really show you guys how to sell a stock. So let's just continue. Now the next thing I want to go ahead and do now is click on sell here. So I'll click on sell and I'll click on sell now. If you sell now, it means you want to sell now. If you click on limit order, let's go back. If you click on limit order here, it means that you want to sell at a particular amount. Say if currently this is the price. So I'm saying that if the price goes to maybe $35, go ahead and sell. That's a limit order. You are specifying at what price, when the market reaches that price, it should sell. Then this stop price is basically you're basically saying that if the price goes below a particular price, sell. So in the market, let's say the stock is not doing well, the price is dropping and dropping and dropping. If it's not doing well, sell at that amount. So you can set it here, but in this case I want to sell now. So I'll click on sell now. I'll click on sell all. If I want to sell some, maybe I want to just sell $10, small $10. Maybe I need $10 like next tomorrow, so I want to sell just $10. I'll do that by selecting $10, then review and sell. If I want to sell all, I'll just click on sell all. Now here is my tip as well. If you feel like you've invested 100,000 naira and you see that you've made 150k, you don't have to sell everything. Just take the profit you've made. Let's say $100. You have $100 you invested and now you've made $150. You want to take the 50, just come here, enter 50 and sell. You don't have to sell everything. You can take the profit and leave the rest in the market and see if it will get better, and see if it will get better or if you make more money. So sometimes you don't have to sell all your shares. You can just sell some and leave some. In this case though, I want to sell all. So I'll click on sell all, review order. Here you see what I was saying. You see here, estimated commission. Bamboo is going to take $1 for this transaction. You see, this is the original share price. This is how much I used. Basically this is how much I used to invest in it, and they're taking $1 now, and this is what I'll have left. So I'll click on sell here, and then it starts loading and loading and loading, and then after a couple of seconds it says market successful. I'll click on okay, thanks. If you've seen the rest of my previous videos, you know that it's not every time you can sell. I can only sell now because market is open. When market is closed, like in the middle of the night, if you try to sell your shares, you might not be able to. You have to wait for the next day when market is open. Now I've sold my shares. If I refresh now, see, I don't really have anything left here, right? Now, where is the money, you may ask? Well, let's go back and I will show you where the money is. Click on US stocks here. If you've clicked on it, click on breakdown up here. See, click on this breakdown. When you click on it, it will open your entire portfolio breakdown and you will see the money that you just made from selling that stock. So this is my portfolio breakdown now, and as you can see, this is my withdrawable cash, the cash I can withdraw. This is basically my current portfolio value. This is my current cost basis, and this is my unsettled cash. The unsettled cash is the money I just sold or made from selling that stock. So that is what you see here, unsettled cash. So when is it going to settle to withdrawable cash for me to withdraw? Well, it's going to settle in the next 1 day. According to the stock market rules, if you sell a stock today, you have to wait a whole day for it to settle in your withdrawable cash. It's not a Bamboo thing. It's like basically like a stock trading rule. They call it the T1 rule. Before it used to be T2. If you sell a stock now, it stays here and then you have to wait 2 days. But now it's T1. You have to wait an entire day for the money to settle here. Once it settles here in the withdrawable cash, I can go ahead and withdraw it. Right? Now, how do you withdraw it? Let's go all the way back. Let me show you how you can now withdraw the money. Let's say the money has finally settled. If the money has settled in your account, you can withdraw it by going to either of this. Right? If the settlement is in dollars, you can go here and withdraw it in dollars. If the settlement is in naira, you can go here and withdraw it in naira. Don't forget that even if it's in dollars and you don't have a dollar account you can withdraw it to, you can convert your dollars to naira. How do you do that? You come to USD, right? And you click on transfer. So if you do that, you are transferring your dollars to your naira wallet. Once you've done that, it's going to be here. Before you transfer, it will show you how much the rate is for the transfer you're about to make. So you see that here. So let's assume I've transferred the money. I will see it here. Then from here, I can click on withdraw and withdraw the money. As you already know right now, I cannot withdraw my money now because the money, I just sold the stock. I have to wait another day and then it will appear here. From here, I can now withdraw my money and that's it. So that's how you can withdraw your money from the Bamboo app. In case anything comes up, don't forget to go to help here. When you come to help, you can always reach out to the customer support team to help you. You can also send a message to Bamboo on Instagram to assist you with these things. I hope this helps. And if you have any more questions, please don't forget, you can ask me. I'll see you around.